You search for how to buy shares of Oshkosh Corp, a U.S. manufacturer of specialty and commercial vehicles listed on NASDAQ with the ticker OSK. This brief tutorial is educational only and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registration, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OSK to find Oshkosh Corp. Select the listing that shows OSK on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart, which helps confirm you have the right stock. Check the exchange and ticker again before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when markets reopen. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Check there to monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform used in this example.